Now, nobody sneeze or turn on a fan. What a mess. Oh, much better. Nice and clean again. What a mess. Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope everyone's doing well out there. Hope all you moms had a great Mother's Day weekend. Make your husbands and your kids do all the dirty work for you. Hope you guys were able to get some flowers for mom and a nice little card, or maybe take her out to lunch, dinner, breakfast in bed, something. Over here was pretty nice. So I'm back again doing some work on the zebra stripe guitar. So I got the body pretty much sanded down. All the clear sanding sealer and dye is taken off of it. Frets are pretty much done up to a point right now, and everything is on the go for redying the top. All right, so I got my powders mixed up, and here is the dye. Ran out of small little Tupperware things, so I had to start using the little bigger ones that we've got. Not a big deal. So let's start to hopefully give this thing a little bit of color again. I might have to go over it a couple of times. It's kind of looking the same way as it did the first time I did this. Let this dry up really good. And apply some more. Get real close to all the edges. If it drips down the sides or anything, I'm not really concerned about that because the sides have not been sanded or buffed out yet. It looks like I'm going to have to add some more powder to this to get it to darken up a little bit more than what it is. But that's just the first coat, so yeah, rubber gloves. Can't get these damn things to get on going all the way. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry. Put a next coat on it a little bit later. So while the body of the guitar is still drying, I figured I'm going to do an unboxing. Now, I really didn't have one planned, but I kind of know what's sitting here and I don't know what's sitting here. Now, I got a hold of Jeff over at Diamond Cut Graphics USA and ordered some of these really nice, really nice. Now, these are little hummingbirds. Got a little wind blower and a dragon with a wizard. But this cardboard one, I don't know what it is. I didn't order any albums. I have all the albums that I wanted, so we'll see what that is. But I gotta say, these graphics that Jeff does over at Diamond Cut Graphics USA is unreal. They are really cool. And I'm kind of like, I want to see if I can get like this hummingbird a little bit bigger, because I got a plan for it. So I gotta get a hold of Jeff and talk to him about that. But otherwise, yeah, these are nice, and they will come in handy because I do have plans for them. So I'll put that off to the side. Now, what the hell is this? I don't recognize the return address on it, so I don't know. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? So this is where it came from. Greece. I didn't order any albums. Oh, this is fucking cool. I wonder if somebody saw my video on the albums and they said something about the Somewhere in Time one that I couldn't find the actual picture disc, and somebody might have sent it to me. Huh. Well, whoever sent this to me, thank you very much. Maybe I'll call up these guys while they're in Greece. Yeah, I don't know about making that phone call. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. This is very nice. And it's going to go with my collection. Cool. Thanks. So that was pretty cool and pretty interesting as far as that record goes. And I do appreciate it, and I thank you very much, whoever sent it to me. I just wish I knew who sent it to me. But anyways, you guys have seen in my videos as far as shielding goes. And I'm kind of picky about it because if it's not done correctly, it serves no purpose at all. It's not doing its job. Now, I'm using humbuckers for the zebra stripe guitar. I've got a set of Seymour Duncans, and they're splittable. I can also do a few other things with them, which I'm going to. I've got the Jimmy Page wire harness set for this thing, and I'm going to be able to split the coils, drum off a phase. So I may get some noise as far as, splitting them, turning them into a single coil instead of the humbucker. Now, a humbucker does what basically its name is. It bucks the hum. Cheaper humbuckers, you may have a little bit of noise or get some interference with other, things around you, fluorescent lights or lighting or whatever. Single coil pickups, now that's a different story. Those things, even if you shield them, they're still going to have a little bit of noise. You can't cancel it completely out. They're still going to have a little bit there. Now, I'm picky about it. If you're going to do any type of shielding, do it the way it's supposed to be done, because if it's not connected with itself in different areas that you're shielding, it serves no purpose at all. In these photos, you'll see that this certain Piapple did his shielding, and there is nothing that is connecting one pickup cavity to another as far as a wire goes, and there's no way that you're going to be able to basically fold a piece of foil and stick it inside the hole where the wiring harness goes through without tearing it or having some type of difficulty or a problem. Also, when you look at this picture here, you can tell, well, there is no grounding cable going to the pickup cavities, because you would see it connected someplace in the harness or someplace on the shielding tape in the control cavity. So that is really serving no purpose at all. It's not doing anything. It's just there. All right, so I just got done adding some more color to it, and what I'm doing is I'm going over it with some, what is this, 220 grit sandpaper, and basically kind of like leveling it off a little bit as far as like any blotchy areas and stuff. Right now it's drying, so there's going to be some darker spots on there, but yeah, so once this dries, I'll see if I have to add another coat to it. What I'll end up doing is getting a damp cloth, and I'll wet it and just go in a certain spot someplace on here and see if the color matches the sides and the headstock. If it does, then that's when I stop. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. You guys take care. Have a good one, and I will catch up with you later.